Hey guys, welcome to our bedroom and welcome to our mattress. So I've taken out the covers, the waterproof cover and the bed sheet, and I decided to give this a good round of cleaning this weekend. Although I just want to note that we have just cleaned this or vacuumed this using the rainbow vacuum just last weekend using the big mattress motorized tool of the rainbow. So I wanted to see actually if the Dyson would be able to pick up some things from our mattress, considering that number one, it has just been vacuumed last weekend. Number two, it has a protective covering, which is actually a waterproof cover. So aside from that, it also has the bed sheet. So I was assuming that there would be not much to get from our mattress for this particular cleaning schedule. But if we look closer, this is what I have vacuumed out. So if you want to see the dust, if that's your thing, then here it is. So did you see it? So these are actually the things I was able to get from our mattress today. So this is a mattress that was vacuumed and covered, and still these are the gross items, or probably dead skin cells, dust mites, and other particles. So I'm really happy with our Dyson V10 Absolute purchase. It comes with all attachments. For this particular schedule, I used the mini motorized mattress brush or mattress tool. I'm not sure what it's called exactly. So I'm also happy with its performance. And for what it's worth, I think this will really be very helpful for our family in keeping our area clean and dust free, or at least to lessen it to some extent. So I want to cry happy tears because after almost 6 years of marriage, this is the first time we've had our own vacuum. We've just been borrowing from my father-in-law for the past years or so, but it's really nice to have your own because number one, you don't have to borrow. Number two, you can use it whenever you want to, whenever you need to, without asking for permission or without setting up too much things, especially since this one is a cordless vacuum. So I'm happy with the mattress test. I think it did very well, it did good. And this would probably help me clean our room, our space more frequently. I really do hope so. So shout out to my hubby. Thank you for letting me purchase this, and I hope you finish installing the dock so that it'll be easier to just grab and go whenever we need to clean. And that's it. Thank you for listening to my very short review. Oh, before I forget, so this is just a sample of how it works. The mini motorized mattress tool. Set the suction level and the trigger, and very powerful. Alright, I need to cover this again and release all these dust in our trash bin very carefully so that it doesn't or go back to me. Bye!